All right, beautiful people. So you saw me unbox the Nagami Kumquat in an earlier video. Now we're gonna size up the pot because when it came online, it looks something like that. Like lost a bunch of dirt, and I figure before I put it back in my house for the rest of the winter, I'm gonna step it up into a little bit of a bigger pot. So I got a 5-gallon pot here, but it has these big holes in the bottom. And I like to put screens in them because if it's gonna be in your house and you're watering all the time, the dirt is gonna come out of these holes. These holes are a little too big in my opinion. So I'm cutting up some screens right now, and we are covering up the holes in the bottom. And then we're gonna mix some Miracle Grow potting soil with horse compost manure that I had in a pile in the woods from years ago. All right, now that I got all the holes covered with the screens, we are going to put some of this on the bottom here. Stop these screens from moving around. And then we're gonna mix in some of the old horse manure and bedding that they take out of the stalls when they clean them. But you don't need a lot of this because it actually retains a lot of moisture. Then we can take, I like to get my whole hand in here around this, like my fingers like that, and then pop this out. And see, it's definitely ready to be sized up. It's starting to get root bound. So we wanna get this thing unroot bound. I call it roughing it up. Find that tap root. All right. Set that down in there, not too deep. Actually looks like a pretty good height, maybe right about there. And then we're going to backfill it, and as we're backfilling it, we are going to pack and pack with our fingers. Make sure it's straight until we got it right where we want it. And it'll probably live in this pot for another 2 years. And then we'll have to do the process again and step it up into a 7-gallon.